Good evening, guys. I hope all the students are joined. So, I'm just going to start today. I'm teaching about that how to configure the posture policy, what is use of the posture policy, and what is use of on-guard agent. So, Aruba ClearPass posture policies refer the set of rules and conditions that define the security posture requirements for device attempting to connect to a networks. Who are joining? Please join on time, bro. I think you can join on time so nobody can miss some other topics. So please join on proper time, bro. Okay, so again I'm going to teach start again on the scratch. So today I'm going to teach about the how to configure the posture policy and what is use of the posture policy and why on guard is using the ClearPass. Okay. Aruba ClearPass is a posture policy referred to the set of rules and condition that define security posture requirement for device attempting to the network. These policies are part of the border network access, that means NAC. The primary goal of posture policy is to ensure that device meet specific security standard before they are connect to our networks. Okay. So posture policy, I'm just on guard agent. On guard, the ClearPass on guard perform the vital endpoint health check and posture assessment automatically to ensure that all laptop, desktop should be compliance with industry standard as per IT infra before they are connected to your wire or wireless networks. Okay. In system wide session NAC protection, that protection going to somebody can install the non-vital application in your endpoints. That system going to quarantine because the system going not match and not matching the compliance. Okay, they are going to against the compliance. So example, antivirus is not updated, so that system should be go to a quarantine. Install application, the list of number of applications installed in the system. Other than that, system example, you are going to WinRAR is not allowing my networks. If somebody can install the WinRAR and install application, that moving to install application, so that system going to quarantine. Process, that means somebody install AnyDex in your system, but you block with the help of the posture policy, so that system should be quarantined. So compliance going to match and post the policy with the help of on guard agent. So how to protect our network? So achieve with the posture policy. Okay. I go to simple way about the types of posture policy check. Example, services. So I will have a look about my ClearPass and going to configure the 1 second. So how to configure the posture policy? I'm just explaining step by step. So guys, please listen carefully. And this posture policy only for web policy, not going to radius and TACAS policy. Posture only going to use a web policy with the help of on guard agent only. Okay. So how to configure the posture policy? Go to configuration, go to posture policy. I am going to create a new posture policy, add, enter the name of the any posture policy. I am just adding the posture policy about testing posture policy. Okay, enter the name, enter the description, anything about your understanding about the description, that can enter it. Okay. Select the poster agent in app or on guard agent. We are using the on guard agent, so I am select the on guard agent. Select the operating system. Operating systems is Windows, Linux or Mac. My environment is Linux, sorry Windows, so I am going Windows. In the restricted roles, we can define the restricted role here. Anything can be restricted on board, on board, you can define like that. Okay. But we are not using anything, so leave that parts. Then go to next second tab is a posture policy. First we click the enter the name, select the Windows machines, and then going to select the posture plugin. So I am going to click posture plugin. Enable the first parameter, first tab, ClearPass Windows Universal System Health Validator. It's going to not in configure. Still now I am not going to configure it. Okay. So after enable the tick mark, going to enable the create a roles. First there are two types of role, healthy and quarantine. Condition, we can assign the first one condition. First we can create the healthy roles condition. So passes always we check, going to healthy first condition. Second condition, and the condition fail one of or more SUV checks, the system going to quarantine. Not compliance any match, not going to match, that system going to quarantine. There are two conditions should be assigned. This is two condition, same name, same everything, same as it is. We can go into configure, bro. Okay. I'm going to come plugin configure. You can select the what, which, and when. Windows 3, 7, 8, 8, 11, 12 servers or multiple OS is available. You can select which OS you recognize enable. Normally Windows 10 and Windows 11 now is enabled. Other Windows 7 is not going to enable, is totally block. Windows 8 also going to block. Somebody can using, but they are not going to connect my networks. So only there are two operating systems. So I now enable. One is Windows 11, one is Windows 10. Okay, some these features are available. Some these multiple. So okay. So I am going to first services. We have to configure the services. Any type service, specify the service to be explicitly running on or stop. You can configure the any type of service, are you running, are you going to stops. So any type of service test. This application gateway, application management, certificate programming, already multiple types of services there. You can block. This is on run. Okay, this is available. So you can go into particular service can enable. So we can enable, save it, save it. So like you can configure the running services. Then process. What is use of the process? Specify the process to be explicitly present or absent on the system. So normally they are using the any type of AnyDex. We can block the AnyDex. So it's possible to block. We can assign the multiple exe like IP messenger .exe. So this type of exe we can block it. So they are not going to use it. Example TeamViewer. So number of exe should be blocked in a network. Somebody installing AnyDex, that system going to quarantine because compliance is not matching. So like we achieve the some exe should be blocked, so we can add the proper exe name and syntax. And that is going to block in your environment. Registry, that means registry, any type of registry condition keys, nobody can change it, should be present the registry. So you can assign the registry and save it. That also. Antivirus means enable the antivirus is It should be present in the antivirus. Any type of antivirus should be installed. Without antivirus, system going to quarantine. That also achieve. At least define the version, at least not less than 14. Okay. Define that hours, how many hours are real time, save it. Firewall also is going to tab is firewall, enable the firewalls is a multi-purpose inbuilt protect firewall, Zenith Pros version 17, save it. P2P, this means you need to the P2P to uTorrent, P2P site should be blocked, so you're going to block here. This is going to stops applications. Okay, you can uTorrent, torrent going to block, so you can show to block it. Okay. So again, patch management. Any patch you can decide your company, so that patch also should be available. Is a Microsoft normally use a Microsoft patch, any application patch. So that patch version you can define over here, and that patch going to match. Okay. If the patch are not going to match, that system going to quarantine. Hotfix, number of hotfix the Microsoft say every weeks, alternate days they are going to release the patch. You can decide the patch. Okay, so that should be patch as per your Microsoft. One sec. USB going to block your network, you can block. No action means not going to block, not going to allow, or is allow. So remove the USB or disable the. You can going to block the USB. User notification, auto remediation. Okay. Virtual machine, that means nobody can install use the virtual machine. Any virtual machine going to stop. Nobody can use the virtual machine. That VMware type of files. Network connection, that can out the type of network like bridge network, ad hoc networks, or wireless sharing. Nobody can use that one. You can disable internet sharing. That's also disable. Disks, nothing but the disks use the hard disk storage. Multiple type of disk storage is there. They can going to block. Install application. This is a type of install application. This is a you can assign is a mandatory means should be present in your application in the endpoints. Optional means not other than not these list of numbers is available. Other than that, application not going to install. Example going to install. An example is WinRAR. So WinRAR is okay. Is for regular questions is all is allowed. All version is allowed. I am going to particular Java. Java only not going to version is mentioned over there. Only Java is mentioned. Okay. But this is for all versions should be allowed. WinRAR version 1, 2, 3 all version in can this is regular question. Okay. But when going to use, you should be tick mark is be available. Tick mark should be selected. Okay. File check, nothing but is a file check FTP like that. Going to file type of file over there. System drive, program files, any types of C program file, you can check it here. You can achieve that one. So this is all the file check should be enable. Save it. So this is our clear path policy testing policy. That's our condition should be matching that one. Enter the name, posture web agent. Windows operating system version is already plugin is there. This condition is very important, this condition, because system going to healthy or quarantine, you can apply as per your condition. Posture token, this for token, posture token. So please use this token version and configure the post plugin. And this policy is going to posture policy must do anything about your webauth policy, not going to webauth. In the webauth policy, going to merge it. Remove the policy and apply the test policy. Okay, testing teacher policy. So this is for our posture policy. How going to use, how to configure, go to configuration and configure the posture policy. This is posture policy, is a type of posture policy there. You can configure and use it. When going to testing, it should be OnGuard agent is available in your install your endpoint, then going to test. The system going to quarantine, health, update with the help of only OnGuard agent going to webauth policy working. Without OnGuard agent, we are not going to work. OnGuard agent enables more extensive health check and then those available in the machine is available in the OnGuard agent. That system should be you are checking about the compliance, checking everything on just install application of antivirus, USB, macOS OS, hotfix. So any taking care of the cyber security about the any type of no going to hack your systems, that should be install the OnGuard agent. OnGuard agent going to update to my ClearPass, and after updating the ClearPass pushing the dynamic ACL to the switch, and switch going to block that particular port. Okay, so this is by my only how to configure, but I am going to lab how to PC going to quarantine, how to have PC going to healthy, when going to install the antivirus, when going to the exe, when going to install the Microsoft patch, not going to update it, so that system should be going to quarantine. That lab I will going to lab for the next lectures. I am teaching the lab how to do this everything. I'm going to lab. So thank you guys for joining this lecture. Thank you.